Hi everyone. If you use USB flash drive to store files that contain confidential or sensitive information, you should consider encrypting your entire flash drive volume so that it can only be accessed with a password or an encryption key. While this idea may sound a little geeky at first, it can actually be done very easily without requiring deep computer knowledge. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that, using VeraCrypt, a free open-source multi-platform disk encryption software. Alright, so first, please head to the VeraCrypt's website and download the appropriate VeraCrypt installer for your platform. Once the download is complete, run the installer, and then simply follow the installation wizard. During the installation, VeraCrypt will check if your Windows Fast Startup is enabled or not. If your Windows Fast Startup is enabled, VeraCrypt will ask you to turn it off for its proper operation. So simply click Yes if that Fast Startup dialog shows up on your screen. Alright, now before you launch VeraCrypt, plug in your USB flash drive and wait until it's detected by your operating system. Now launch VeraCrypt, and you should have this window. To encrypt your USB flash drive, click Create Volume to start the Volume Creation Wizard. On the Volume Creation Wizard dialog, select Encrypt a Non-System Partition or Drive. Then select Standard VeraCrypt Volume. On the following dialog, click Select Device, and then select your USB flash drive. Please make sure you select the correct drive because if you choose the wrong one, it may lead to unintended data loss. Then click OK, and then click Next. Alright, on this dialog you have two options. If you want to start with a clean flash drive, you should choose the first option. This VeraCrypt volume creation method is faster than the second one, but your flash drive will be formatted and therefore all of its content will be wiped out. So if you choose this option, please make sure that your flash drive does not contain any files that you still need. But if your flash drive already contains the files that you want to encrypt, then you should choose the second option. For this tutorial, I will choose the first option because I want to start with a clean encrypted volume, and then click Next. On the Encryption Options dialog, under the encryption algorithm, you may select your preferred algorithm or simply leave the default selection. As you can see here, a short description of each algorithm is also given, which should give you a rough idea of how it works and how strong the encryption will be. And if you need further information on the selected algorithm, you may click More Information, and you will be brought to the VeraCrypt's official documentation. And then, under the Key Derivation Function or KDF algorithm, you may also choose your preferred algorithm based on your need and your system capability. Just click on Information on Hash Algorithm to find out more about each algorithm on the list. Then click Next, and then click Next one more time. On the Volume Password dialog, enter in as strong encryption password as you could create. This is the password that you will have to provide later whenever you want to access your flash drive once it's encrypted. Then click Next. Now on the Volume Format dialog, first select your preferred file system. For a flash drive, FAT is generally preferred for its portability between different platforms. Then move your mouse as randomly as possible within the VeraCrypt window until the progress bar turns green and reaches 100%. As stated here, the longer you move your mouse and the more random your mouse movements are, the stronger your encryption key will be. Alright, it's all set. Now click Format, and then click Yes on the confirmation dialog to start encrypting your flash drive. This process will take several minutes depending on your flash drive capacity and speed, whether you choose to format or encrypt the existing files on your flash drive, and also on your computer's speed. For my case, an old 2 GB flash drive takes about 5 minutes or so. Once the encryption process is completed, an information dialog will be shown. It basically says that now I can no longer access my flash drive using the drive letter that is assigned by Windows, which is F drive. If I try to access my flash drive by double-clicking the F drive on the File Explorer, I will get this message. So click Cancel to close the message dialog and never ever click Format Disk unless you want to remove the encryption. Alright, now go back to VeraCrypt and click OK to close the information dialog. And then click Exit to close the Volume Creation Wizard. Alright, now you might ask, how then do we access an encrypted flash drive? The answer is very easy. You just need to mount your flash drive using VeraCrypt, and you'll be able to access it just like a normal unencrypted drive. Let me just show you how it's done. So plug in your encrypted flash drive as usual, and then launch VeraCrypt. On the VeraCrypt window, select any unused drive letter from the list, then click Select Device, and then select your encrypted flash drive, which for my case is the F drive. Then click Mount, and enter the encryption password. You may click Mount Options, and check the Mount Volume as Removable Medium. Now simply click OK, and if you entered the correct password, your flash drive will be decrypted and mounted to the selected drive. If I open File Explorer, I will see my encrypted flash drive as drive G, and I can access it just like a regular drive. I can create a new folder, copy files to it, and so on. Alright, once you are done working with your flash drive, you just need to unmount it from VeraCrypt. So go back to VeraCrypt, select the drive, and then click Unmount. My G drive will be gone from the File Explorer, and I'm only left with the inaccessible F drive. Alright, so that's how easy it is to password protect a flash drive through volume encryption using VeraCrypt. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.